I'm Jared, and today I'm going to show you how to upgrade your touring bike from the OE battery to a new Harley-Davidson Lithium LiFe battery. These are significantly lighter and have up to twice the lifespan of AGM lead batteries. Stick around and I'll show you how easily it is to install. These Harley-Davidson Lithium LiFe batteries offer unequaled cranking power and a significant weight reduction over their AGM lead-acid counterparts. All right, now we've talked about the product, let me show you how to install, as these are drop-in replacements. So they're designed to fit seamlessly, no fit adapters or foam blocks necessary. You see my Street Glide Special here. I've already taken off any necessary components to gain access to the battery. Taken off the saddlebag, taken off the seat, remove that so the handle kicks over to the side. I've actually already removed the tray that holds the battery down and loosened any connections that the harness has on here. So now we've gained access to the battery. Pretty straightforward. You have your positive and your negative terminal. You're going to remove those fasteners that attach the connectors to the battery. Go negative, then positive. I'm also using the genuine Harley-Davidson tank cover so I don't cause any damage. Also put your fasteners in there, any tools. There's a strap that's actually going underneath the battery, and that's gonna help you easily lift that OE battery. Now, feel how heavy this is compared to, look at that, the lithium. Super light compared to the OE. Now, as far as installation goes, see the positive, see the negative, put it right back in to where it was. And you gotta keep in mind, this is genuine Harley-Davidson parts, so it's got that OE fit. Take your fastener, your positive side, connect that first. Be sure not to over tighten, causing damage to the threads. So positive first, then do negative. There you have it. We'll button this thing back up, put the seat on, and you're ready to ride. And just so you know, the internal solid-state battery management system automatically detects under charging for more reliable starting performance and protects the battery from deep discharge, over voltage, and over temperature issues. For this and any other genuine Harley-Davidson products, visit harley-davidson.com or any authorized Harley-Davidson dealer.